If your power goes out, remain calm.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Vertcoin. We're going to talk about crypto mining now. We talk about mining, staking, and trading. But today I'm going to talk about what I've been doing the past few days after the Ethereum merge. And I've noticed here on Highbone stats that there's still 6% of somebody mining Ethereum apparently. 8% Kaspa, 10% Ergo, Vertcoin 12%, ETC 35, and other 18. Ethereum, ETC 35 on the algorithms. Kapal 14, Hash 12%. But anyway, what I've been doing is there's really not anything profitable. We can see here it comes and goes. I have seen some go profitable, but now they're down. Let's see, old Grin is up at the top of the list. Vertcoin trying to climb the chart. Kaspa down here. I got this set from my cards. I got one 3070 Ti. No, regular 3070, 5 3060 Ti, and one 1660. So I use that and calculate, and yep, nothing is after power, that is. Grin's $2.07 and minus 86 cents after power. Vertcoin's a little better, not much. Kaspa down here, but I'm mining FLUX currently, so negative 139 after power, and it gets worse as you go down the line. Ethereum Classic only 85 cents before power and $1.33 after power, minus in the hole, negative $1.33. So anyway, it's not looking good at the moment, which we expected that to happen after the merge. Everything's going to go crazy but anyway, so what I've been doing, I probably will shut down if this don't get any better in the next few days, but I wanted to take this time to try out different coins and see how to set them up, how to set up pools with these different coins and wallets, and so I'll be ready to go with whatever may become profitable or a better coin to mine. Currently I'm on FLUX, which shows it negative, but they also pay a PA, they call it, parallel assets. So the other day I got an extra 4 coins, I believe it was, in parallel asset. So I'm actually doing better. I could be wrong on that. Network hash rate on this is on fluxpool.net. Flux Lab pools, and it seems to be a pretty good pool, but they're paying, if you look at rewards, estimated at 24 hours, 0.775. It says I'm running 255 souls per second, but this PA, or parallel asset, if you turn it on, it increases that amount And if you turn on the unreleased parallel assets, it pretty much doubles it. So the actual profitability on FLUX, in my opinion, is better running on this pool currently. But we'll see how that goes. But I've been trying to keep, they also offering loyalty rewards. I'm at 91% because I've been switching pools and stopping and starting the miners. But I wanted to stay on their pool as much as possible. So I've been running Equihash algorithm on this FLUX, and I ran it with Kaspa. I had two cards, my two 3060 Ti's running on Kaspa and the others running on FLUX, and it done pretty good. Mining to Woolly Pool, made a few coins, and I set up the Kaspa wallet, which was pretty easy to do, and it seemed to work out. So I want to make sure when I mine that how it pays out and if the wallets actually work. So Kaspa worked really well, and it runs well too, smooth. You can barely see this purple over here where I mined it, but it was a pretty smooth run. And then I switched to Vertcoin, Verthash. That was a tough one to run. It does pretty good, but look at this line here. It's just as rough and bumpy as this ride after. It started out pretty smooth, and then it got really up and down, just not very steady. Dropped down here at the end before I switched everything back to FLUX. But I made a few Vertcoins, and I was able to set up a wallet and everything for that. So I made flight sheets for, and this one is just for FLUX. But I've got one set up if I wanted to run Kaspa and FLUX, or I could just change it to run Kaspa only, depending on how the market fluctuates or changes. I got one for Neoxin FLUX, Ravencoin FLUX, got one for Ergo only. I've been hoping to get back on that one, but it's just not profitable. But I do have it set up. And I also have, of course I still have some old Ethereum wallets. There's my Vertcoin and FLUX. The thing with the Vertcoin was really strange because if you see right here, I disabled, let's see where to go, Vertcoin. Setting up this, I used Team Black Miner on Woolly Pool for Vertcoin and mining to Zelcore wallet. And it worked really pretty good, except for setting up the GPUs. I wanted to only run the 0 and 1, the first two cards, two 3060 Ti's. And it tells you that you can disable the cards you don't want it to run on. But it was really not working like they tell you to set it up. So I ended up setting it from 2 through 6 to disable. But down here on my FLUX, on this Mini Z that I'm running, this miner here. It seems to be a really nice little miner. I've never used it before, and it's working really well. So on it, you configure your card or devices that you want to run. And I told it I wanted to run cards 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because this one, even though I wanted to run 0 and 1, and it did run on 0 and 1, but it kept wanting to run my first card and the last card. It wanted to run 0 and 6. So that was really confusing. I still don't know why. If anyone knows, if you can leave a comment down below how to specify certain cards you want to run, and with this Team Black miner on Vertcoin. And but anyway, that one I did get it to work with a workaround, basically by setting this other miner and just letting the thing think it was running on the first GPU or 0 device and 6. But when I go into the Hive shell, it would show that it was running 0 and 1. So anyway, it was strange. I don't know what the deal was there. I may try another miner. I did try Vertcoin miner, and it was doing about the same thing. At one time, they were like dual mining. It was trying to mine both Flux and Vertcoin at the same time, which was crazy also. So anyway, I ran that a while, and I could mine, and if you mine them all, it's not a problem hardly. I mean, you could just not set which device and let it run all devices, and you'll be okay. But I like to be able to run certain cards on certain algorithms or coins if I wanted to. And the other problem with the Vertcoin that I found was not only that it was a rough, I like a good smooth line like this Equihash. It's just straight and smooth. And right here is where I switch all my cards back on Equihash. But I also noticed when I was doing Flux and Vertcoin that my CPU temperature went up high, like 60, 61 Celsius, 59. And it normally runs around here at 36 CPU temperature. And I like to keep it as cool as possible. But something to do with that miner or whatever, the way it was running those cards, because when I stopped running the Vertcoin, my temperature dropped back down to what it normally ran on all the other coins. So there again, if anyone has information or know what might cause that, that would be good to know. We could help others out that might try to run those coins. So anyway, that's what I've been doing, taking this time to set up flight sheets for other coins. I'm going to set up some others too, and see how they do. And once I figure, get enough of them set up that I want, I may, if these coins don't get leveled out and something more profitable, I may shut it down for a while and just clean them all up and wait, whether it be a week or a month. I don't know how long it's going to take for all this to level out, but we'll see. I'm going to run it as long as I can. I don't want to pay too much in power and not, like one of the other guys said, I believe it was the Mining King and several others, said that the yield, if I'm yielding some coins But if I'm not yielding anything and the power cost is high and it's not profitable, then... But if I could yield some coins, I'll probably keep mining. We'll see. I'll make another video in next day or two, and we'll see how it goes. But for now, I'm just testing different coins, different algorithms, and different miners and wallets and pools, and so I'll be ready to go. And you really don't want to hop around on different pools and algorithms. It'd be better to stay on one as long as you can. But I may just shut it down and clean all the cards and everything up and let it sit. I don't think I'm going to sell everything yet. It hasn't got... I believe it's going to come back. The market overall is down pretty bad. So anyway, that's about all for now. If you would subscribe to my channel and leave comments and like, and keep up, share it. But if you have any questions or suggestions, or if I can help you any way or answer any questions for any of you, then let me know. Meanwhile, we'll see you on the next video.